Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by picking the column that needs cleanup. Focus on cells with trailing, leading, or multiple spaces. First, press Ctrl+H to inspect obvious double spaces. This is fast for internal extras. Once done, run a quick count to verify how many cells contain blanks because you want to know scope. Make sure to check if spaces are non-breaking. Those require the substitute function with char 160. Now prepare a helper column for formulas and move to the next step. You now apply formulas to clean the text. Enter equals trim, A2 to remove leading, trailing, and extra spaces between words. If you still see stubborn gaps, use equals trim, substitute, A2, char 160, because web scrape text often contains non-breaking spaces. Once filled down the helper column, visually scan a few rows to confirm spacing looks correct. Then copy the cleaned column and paste special right arrow values to replace the originals, ensuring formulas don't stay linked to the. You finish by replacing the original cells with the cleaned values and removing the helper column. To be safe, run len on a few cells to confirm expected string lengths. This catches hidden leftover spaces. If problems persist, inspect characters using equals code mid, A2N1 to find odd codes, because tabs or Unicode spaces need targeted substitute calls. Finally, make sure to save a backup before mass replacing, and if you hit errors, undo and reapply the specific substitute for that character code.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.